Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
So I just wanted to weigh in on everything that's been going on from my faith's perspective. So I know some of you get triggered when I speak about the big guy, but I'm telling you, I'm speaking about him now, and that's the perspective I'm going with. So the first thing I wanted to talk about was these people that have the nerve to say Guti, it was better during apartheid. Like, people are saying at least white people were doing this to us. We'd rather go back there and know that we're fighting white people. Like, the Bible literally condemned Israel for saying that they'd rather go back to Egypt than suffer in the wilderness. But this fight is not over. This fight goes on multiple generations. Anizwa. So please ngicela niyeke lento yenu yokuba soft nenza sengathi nina abantu abokuqala bathola ama degree bangakwazi ukuthi bay enjoy impilo yabo. Nina act like ANC wasn't filled with odokotela, abameli, akekho into a profession eyayingekho lapha yana, kodwa still balwa. Yes, they were international terrorists ababantu. Baphatha ama petrol bomb belwa. Nina, you think a degree yenu angazi iqanda legolide, like you think some of these people had law practices that they gave up to be criminals, quote unquote, for freedom. Nina, you act like suffering. We might as well go back to Egypt. Ngoni apartheid nyakula yini. Niqathi no ba nina. Yo nyanyisa uma senenza lento yenu. Nigadi salary angazi sengathi ithambo legolide. Grow up. You have any nyanyisa senenza lento yenu. Anyway, angidlule lento yongivuke ngivutha bhe. Nina nicabangani kanti yini? Nicathi yini le mpile? Nifuna nizalwe kephi kanti? Nifuna nizalwe Ethiopia? Nina who are born in the 90s, nyayazi le Ethiopia ngikhuluma ngayo mina. Nifuna ukuzalwa kephi? Le Egypt bakhona abantu abamnyama yazi bayafihlwa sengathi ngazi into engcolile. Bakhona abantu abamnyama lapha eKemet eEgypt. Abamnyama fana njengoSudan bafihlwe sengathi abekho. Nifuna ukuzalwa kephi kanti nina? Nifuna unibe njani? How anilwe nani? Khona the next generation now ikwazi ukuba spoiled inyana njengoba nani senokwazi ukuba spoiled inyanya. Because we would rather go back, we'd rather give up. Avening bora man kwa wilderness yenu. Ingakho nje ANC izohlezi ANC yazwa. uMose uzohleze iMoses ngoba nizwa. At least yena he knows ukuthi yonke lento is temporary vele. Nina nenza sengathi lezi zinto zenu njena angazi special, anikho special futhi. Akekho anikho specially. Yiwole, we are the war. Grow up. Second, lento yama foreigners. Ngiyathemba ukuthi you're talking about illegal foreigners. Abantu aba illegal. Not abantu abane stamp ne passports. Do you understand what I'm saying? Because mina, I've been a foreigner. Kubhlungu by foreigner, tshela. Noma legal. Yes, kubhlungu. I can't imagine being an illegal person. So if you've been a foreigner, you know what it's like. So treat your foreigners well. I'm willing to treat foreigners gave me a community when my own people didn't give me a community. Legal foreigners. Abantu abanama passports abo nezitembu zabo zasema airports. Abantu abakhiphela i-passports lo munye umZulu noma nomunye umSuthu. Bona ukuthi ayikho ke nje le passport engibuka. Bible does protect legal foreigners. So don't think that you're being a good Christian by accepting illegal foreigners, because you're not. Okay? Israel ran away from I think it was the king of Babylon by Egypt. Sebefikile Egypt, time passed. Kwese isikhathi sokubuya babuyele Israel from exile. Kwathiwa vezana amaphepha approvayo ukuthi no bani Israel, as in like no Judah, no Ephraim, no ban. Yabo. Kwathiwa khona abantu babeclaim ukuthi bama-Levites. Kwathiwa vezani iphepha bathi asanawo amaphepha. Kuthi okay, ningabuye Israel ne nibuye ngoba siyanazi niqala i-identity ebush, so like citizenship or i-residency, but ngeke nikwazi ukuthi nabantu engasibona, ngeke nithole i-passport yethu, ngeke nithole i-treatment yethu without i-documentation. So wasebhayibhelini you need i-documentation, guys. Awukwazi umane uthi mina, all must come and just be free. Ayikho nje leyo nto. You can't do that. Malema, you can't do that. Open borders, you can't do that. You're going to get bullied. The Bible says foreigners will rebuild your cities. Foreigners will help you rebuild your walls. But you can't be working in your own country for foreigners. That's completely, that's wrong. That's wrong. That's not biblical. That doesn't make sense, futhi. You'll end up abused. You'll end up ngaphansi kwaba. Like, it does make no sense, guys. Use your head, please. That doesn't make sense. 3. Into esithathe bengifuna ukisho ukuthi you'll never solve izinto with undue violence. There is a way to stand up for yourself without compromising yourself. There have been many instances, again, gisala, where umuntu ohlukumeziwe alwe kodwa alwe ngobnono, uNkulunkulu ambusisi, increase izinto zakhe. Noma ngabe uhlukumeziwe, once usuretaliate ngento wrong, once usuretaliate ngokukhohlakala, God does not bless that. Noma ngabe understand ukuthi weza ubuhlungu le usubletha la ubuhlungu bakho, He will never bless you with it. You will suffer. You will suffer. So it's very important ukuthi, yes, to identify ukuthi I'm traumatized and I'm hurt. But if I want to keep God on my side, I go to get Him on my side. He's already on your side. But if I want to keep God on my side, I can't react by barbarianism. I can't react ngendlela wrong ngizitshela ukuthi because mina kwenzeke kumina I must be right. You're not right. Your blessings don't come from ukuthi when right. Your blessings come ukuthi ngaphakathi usulungiseni ngokwakho. Your fight must inspire God to fight. That happens all the time kwa Deborah, kwa King David. Your fight, your struggle, kwa Jesus Christ, goodness sakes, kwa Jacob. Your fight must inspire God to fight. Uma ucabanga kanjalo, ucabanga ukuthi when you start acting stupid ngoba uthi wena kubhlungu or wena uthi impilo injani, you think that inspires God to fight. God won't fight with you.
When it comes to illegal immigrants, I actually stand with this much and much. As long as they're fighting against illegal immigrants, there is nothing wrong with that. But the problem comes when there is violence inside, where there is looting, when now all foreigners are included. That's where the problem starts. this lady right here is actually addressing this whole situation, or would say, you are not wrong to not want illegal immigrants, because when you visit in another country, you have to make sure that you are there legally. So, which the problem starts when people implement a lot of violent, guys. We have been seeing things, we have been seeing people being beaten, people running away from their lives, for their lives. We saw other countries taking their own citizens to say, no, this is not good, this is not going to end well, so we better take our people, which is wrong, very, very wrong. There are always better ways to resolve any issue that you might be having, rather than implementing violence. You see, when it comes to violence, I'm also not standing with that. I really do not stand with that. I understand the fight. I understand the frustrations on South Africans that are frustrated because of these things that are happening. But you don't have the right to fight a legal immigrant, a legal foreigner in your country. You don't have that right. Which now we saw that it actually escalated to that, whereby if whether you are in the country legally so or illegally, you have to leave. We even saw videos of Upakela Mtagati approaching people, not asking them about the documents, no, asking them, where are you from? And then they will tell him, oh, okay, I'm from Congo. And then he told that man to say, by 30 June, you have to be gone. You have to be gone. I never heard him asking about their documents or anything. Nope. Or to say, okay, if you are legally here, you are not going to go or to leave the country. Nope. You have to leave the country. And their reason is that we want to fix our own country. All foreigners must leave, whether you are legally or illegally, you must leave so that we can fix our own country. And then later on, you can then come back. But anyway, please say your thoughts down below in the comment section.